In this video, I'm going to show you what the different elements do in Aweber's drag and drop landing page builder. Over on the left of the builder are the different elements that you can drag into your landing page. Now, a lot of times people will start with a template for their landing page with already pre-created elements added, but I wanted to show this on a blank canvas so I can explain what each element does. First, the text element. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is where you can add some text to your landing page. You can type it in there manually, or even just copy and paste. The next element is the image element, and this allows you to add an image to your landing page. You can upload your own image, use our image gallery. There's hundreds of stock images to choose from, and as you start adding images, you can create your own gallery. And you can even design an image using Canva. Just choose template and use their elements to design your image. The video element allows you to add video to your landing page. Just drag the element in and paste your video's URL. The button element allows you to add a button to your landing page. We can change around the text of the button right here. And then over in the right menu, we can link the button to a URL and change around our button's design. Change around the size, the color, and even rounding out or squaring the corners. The form element is an important part of a landing page. This is a sign-up form where people can enter their name and email or any other fields that you require. And then when they click submit, they're added to your email list. One thing I want to point out, you can add a tag to anyone who fills out your form, and that tag will be applied so you can later segment people by who signed up through this form. The social element gives people the option to share your landing page on different social platforms. You can add or remove different platforms and also change around the design of those icons. The smart content element allows you to add unique URLs. For example, we can paste in our podcast URL to give people an excerpt of our podcast. The divider element is a simple divider where we can change around the thickness of the divider and the styling of the divider. Or even add an invisible divider just to give a little bit of extra space. The pop-up element allows us to add a pop-up triggered either by time or a button click that'll pop up and display something to viewers. For example, a popular pop-up is a pop-up form. A little bit of text, we can add a sign-up form in here so that anybody coming to our page will wait a certain amount of time, and then the pop-up will appear. Again, this pop-up can also be triggered by somebody clicking a button. The e-commerce element allows you to easily sell products right from your Aweber landing page. Again, like the button element, we can change around the button text. But over here on the right is where we can set up our product. We can connect through Stripe, But first, let's just add our product real quick. We'll add our cookbook, along with a price. We can even choose the currency. And then we'll follow some quick steps to connect to Stripe. Now the final element I want to show off is the row. You see we've been adding elements to this row, and every landing page starts out with that single default row. But we can add additional ones with that row element at the very bottom, and you can use this to divide up and structure your landing page. You can add as many of these rows as you'd like. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.